of two minds is a mist on the sea, appearing as many while only one can be. Behind every movement, behind every frame, undivided awareness remains unchanged. No error was committed, no distance was made. In the light of pure being, all shadows fade. Only the one with no inside or out, beyond all division, beyond every doubt. No seeker, no path, no separate soul, never fragmented, eternally whole. Awake is the light that beholds its own grace, unbound by time, unconfined by space. Silence remaining where the illusion used to be. One self arising in absolute unity. To look on a brother is looking at you. The eye that beholds and the seen are not two. No fault to correct and no form to defend. When nothing was broken, there's nothing to mend. The ego story is a whisper in the air, a phantom of duality that was never there. Step back from the ego, let the spirit lead the way to the holy instant where the night turns into day. Only the one with no inside or out, beyond all division, beyond every doubt. No seeker, no path, no separate soul, never fragmented, eternally whole. Awake is the light that beholds its own grace, unbound by time, unconfined by space. Silence remaining where the illusion used to be. One self arising in absolute unity.